So let me tell you about my product that I created on TikTok, sold a couple of thousand of them on TikTok in about a year span that I've had this product out. And now I want to take it over here to YouTube to share it with you all and show you all what you all have been missing out on, because I grew my TikTok to 241,000 followers by creating this product right here. There we go. If you guys can see it, creating this product on TikTok and selling this product on TikTok along with my smoothie recipes, you all. Hi there, you all. My name is Peter Gay Barrett. I am a certified weight loss, nutrition, and fitness specialist. I specialize in teaching people how to use a healthy smoothie to not only help to prevent chronic ailment, but to treat chronic ailment as well, such as high blood pressure, high blood sugar, high cholesterol, and obesity. And yes, TikTok is no longer, as of now, don't know if it's coming back, but it's gone. But I have so much to be grateful to TikTok for. Not only am I sad that it's gone, because it's kind of taken bread out of my mouth, but I diversify, you all. That's if you're a small business owner, you need to diversify. I don't give a crap what platform it is. You need to be selling and posting and sharing your shit on multiple platforms, as well as telling your friends and your families and your coworker or whatever else about it. Don't just use one platform. I could have settled for the 240,000 followers that I have on TikTok and say, yeah, I'm making money, I'm selling my product, I've created this product, I have a community there, that's it. Nope. I grew it, then I sent you all here to follow me on YouTube, and in the last couple of months you guys have been doing that, and I greatly appreciate it. So this is for my small business owners out there. Diversify. Do not just use one platform to sell your product, to promote your product, or even for social media. Content creators, the same thing. Diversify, because these platforms can pull their shit away from you any given moment, and there is jack you can do about it. So let me tell you all about this product, you all. So I'm over on TikTok posting my smoothies, and I use turmeric in my smoothies. I use beetroot in my smoothies, and people start asking me, do you have a product? But because I was only sharing my smoothies for free, right? So I didn't have a product at the time. So what I decided to do was create a smoothie recipe ebook. All because of TikTok, right? Created a smoothie recipe ebook. I'll put the link in the description below, but this is what it looks like right here, right? Created 2 smoothie recipe ebooks. So I started generating revenue from that over on TikTok, selling it on TikTok, selling it on my website, and yes, obviously started making money from it as well. So while that was, doing its thing, then I created this product right here. Some of the reasons for creating this product was for my personal use as well, right? Because I had arthritis from being a runner my whole life, had knee surgery in college. Doctors were telling me you may never be able to run again. And I'm like, oh no, I am going to take my health into my own hands. And that's when I started using turmeric, you all. And then as I got older, I am 48 years old. I'll be 49 this year, 2025. It just took a little while for my body to heal and the inflammation in my knees to go away. And even though I was using the turmeric, I wasn't using it properly, right? So I would just get the turmeric root and I would just blend it up and put it in my smoothies. That's not how you want to do it. And I'll tell you how you want to use turmeric, which is why I create this product right here. So I started educating myself on turmeric, right? And I discovered that black pepper, which is in this product right here, aid in the absorption of turmeric 2,000% more than if without the black pepper, right? Pepperin is the active ingredient in black pepper, which activate the active ingredient in turmeric, which the active ingredient in turmeric, which is, sorry, I had a brain fart, which is curcumin, right? Talking straight from my head, you all. Nothing scripted here, which is curcumin. So pepperin pulls the active ingredient out of turmeric. Turmeric is not an active ingredient, right? Curcumin is the active ingredient, making the curcumin more bioavailable to the body. So I add the black pepper to it as well. As I am aging, my energy wasn't where I wanted it to be, right? So I started doing my research and discovered that beetroot is one of the best veggies you can, or roots you can use, that's going to help to boost your energy and your stamina, right? So I started using beetroot, but I was just blending up the beetroot and juicing, I think is the main thing I was doing, sucking the juice out of the beetroot. And I'm like, that may not be the ideal thing. I've never had high blood sugar. Beetroot juice just by itself can, elevate your blood sugar level. So I'm like, I got to figure out a different way of doing that. Additionally, I had really bad digestive issues, you all. And I know ginger was great as well. So I came up with this product: turmeric, beetroot, black pepper, and ginger, right? And those are my personal reasons for coming out with this product. I know plenty of people out there who have inflammation in their body, which is the leading cause of a lot of chronic ailments. That's where the turmeric is going to help a lot of you all, in addition to the issues that I had, right? Beetroot, thank you for your patience. TikTok shop has resumed operation. Oh shit, that literally just came on my phone, you all. Okay. As I talk about my product right here, let's see what's gonna go on over there, you all. Dang, it literally just came on my phone. Right, so beetroot is going to help with blood flow, blood circulation, right? It's actually going to help with your blood pressure. For you men who are taking high blood pressure medication and it's creating erectile issues, beetroot is going to help you with that. Beetroot is packed with nitrate, right? Nitrate helps to relax the blood vessel, dilate the blood vessel, expand the blood vessel, helping blood to flow more freely. The turmeric is going to help with the inflammation that's clogging up your blood. So imagine what that's going to do for your blood pressure, right? That's how this product came about, you all. It came about on TikTok. And then they created the TikTok shop. I went live and I sell buku of these bitches right here. Let me tell you, I have never made a penny on YouTube, but I made a few pennies over there on TikTok, you all. And not just with my product, with promoting and selling other products, I made bank, right? And for me, I diversify. This is not my full time. I am a hotel general manager. So any of you all small business out there, you gotta diversify. But we're talking about this product right here. If you're looking to purchase this product, it is now available on Amazon, you all. So this is what it looks like on Amazon. If you see anything else out there, there's nothing else out there that have this combination that's going to give you all the health benefits that I just mentioned, right? I'll put this link in the description below and you can purchase it on Amazon. I'm going to put a QR code right here and you can purchase it on my website, you all. This is my product: Barrett Nutrition, turmeric with black pepper, beetroot, and ginger. This is my product right here. I am the sole owner of this product. Thanks to TikTok, you all, I have been able to be successful with selling it. And now it's on Amazon, or you can click the QR code right here and you can purchase it directly from my website. But you got to diversify, you all. You got to diversify. Don't just rely on one platform, on one website. I'm selling on Amazon. I'm selling on my own website. I sell on TikTok. We don't know if it's coming back. Hopefully it will. I sell it on Meta. I'm trying to create a Shopify to sell it there as well. Diversify, you all. That's what you have to do. But if you know anyone, or you yourself, you think you could use this product right here, go ahead and purchase it. Again, it is available in a plethora of other health benefits. Only the 4 ingredients, no binders, no fillers, no sweeteners. Only the 4 ingredients that you're getting in this product right here. If you're looking for something that tastes like candy, this is not the product for you, you all. If you are looking for something that tastes like candy, this ain't the one for you, right? Again, it's turmeric, beetroot, black pepper, and ginger. You can put it in your smoothies. You can put it in your oatmeal. You can put it in your yogurt. I made plenty of videos, a lot of them right here on YouTube. I have a smoothie playlist where I put this my turmeric in it. Go ahead and check that out, and I will put that, I guess, right here. One of these places. You will see the thing comes up and you guys can click on it and check out my playlist of all my smoothies, right? Turmeric is fat soluble. So in another video, so go ahead, like, subscribe. Tell me if you would like me to talk more in depth about the product, about the health benefits. Leave me a comment and let me know. I don't want this video to be too long, and I can give you guys some more details on the product because I have a lot to say about this. I have a lot to say about it. Now I'm going to go check out TikTok to see what they say. I think they say something is resumed. If it's the TikTok shop, really, that's all I really care about. If it's the TikTok shop is resumed, that would be absolutely amazing for me, and then we can continue selling this product right here. But I'm about to hop on over to you all. It is, what time is it? I'm not even sure, like 2:30 on Sunday, the 19th of January 2025, the same day that TikTok was banned. It looked like the TikTok shop may be back, so gonna post this video so you guys can see it. Like, share, subscribe, because I gotta hop on over and see what's going on over there in TikTok. Until next time, you all, get your ass up and move. Go purchase my product. Support me, support yourself, support your overall health, and get this baby right.